Most people wait until it's too late, until debt piles up or saving vanishes before they take their finances seriously. But not you. You are here because you want to grow, save smartly, invest wisely, and live freely. In this video, I am sharing timeless, practical financial advice that works no matter where you live or where you own. Smart money management. Let's start with the basics managing your money. Most people work hard for money, but the smart ones make money work for them. And it all starts with a plan. Spend less than you earn, always. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Track where every dollar or rupee goes. Cut what you don't use. Streaming, apps, lazy subscriptions. Automate your savings. Out of sight, out of spend. If you don't know where your money is going, you will always wonder where it went. Emergency funds, your financial shield. Life is unpredictable. A sudden job loss, medical emergency, or urgent travel can break your finances unless you are ready. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a separate, high interest account. Never use this money unless it's truly urgent. Refill it if you ever use it. Treat your emergency fund like your oxygen tank underwater. Never touch it unless you are drowning. Crossing debt before it crosses you. Debt is not always bad, but unmanaged debt, that's financial poison. Here is how to stay in control. Pay off high interest loan first, or try the snowball method for motivation, smallest to biggest. Avoid taking loans for luxury items. Always pay off your credit cards in full. Refinance if interest rates drop. If you can't afford it twice, don't buy it once. Want to be rich? Don't just save, invest. But the earlier you start, the earlier it gets. Time is more powerful than money in investing. Start with small, consistent investments. Use SIPs, systematic investment plans for mutual funds. Don't chase trends, invest in what you understand. Diversify your portfolio, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Money grows with patience, not panic. Build passive income streams. The rich don't just work for money, they let money work for them. Passive income is how you buy your freedom. Turn skills into digital products like ebooks, courses. Invest in dividend paying stocks or funds. Create content, YouTube, blog, podcast, and monetize. Rent out unused assets. Try affiliate marketing honestly. Promote only what you trust. When you sleep, your money should still be working. Spend smart, not cheap. Smart spending is not about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Wait 24 hours before buying something expensive. Use cashback and rewards. Don't waste them. Invest in quality over quantity. Set monthly limits for entertainment, food, shopping. Don't upgrade your lifestyle just because income increased. Every dollar you don't waste is a dollar you give for freedom. Think long-term, plan for life, not just today. The future comes faster than you think. Financial freedom does not happen by accident. It needs a plan. Save for retirement early, even with small amounts. Buy term life insurance, not investment-linked policies. Set separate saving goals for house, education, or business. Consider inflation when planning any long-term goal. Review your financial roadmap once a year. A short-term mind builds expenses, a long-term mind builds wealth. Discipline equals to freedom. You don't need to be perfect with money, just consistent. Small habits repeated over time create big results. Do a weekly money check-in, track, Plan, review. Set clear written financial goals. Automate savings and debt repayments. Learn one thing about money every week. Spend time with financially wise people. Your habits decide your bank balance. Avoid these common mistakes. And before we wrap up, here are some costly mistakes you must avoid. Don't invest in something you don't understand. Don't depend on only one income source. Avoid emotionally money decisions. Be aware of get-rich-quick schemes. Don't ignore taxes or hidden fees. When in doubt, pause. Money mistakes can cost years. Money is not just about survival, it's about freedom, peace, and opportunity. Start today, even if it's small. And remember, you don't need more money, you need better habits. Subscribe to Brain on Bells. Like, comment, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you.